Explain to you the life cycle of a parrot. Eggs. The mother lays and incubates the eggs until they hatch. Hatchling. The hatchling is completely blind for 2 weeks and completely depends on the adults. Chick. The young chick grows adult feathers but has not matured yet. Mature male/female. Now they are independent and they seek the attention of mates to lay eggs. And so goes the life cycle. Fact file of parrot. There are more than 350 species such as parakeets, macaws, cockatiels and cockatoos that have a few same traits as parrots. Size. Parrot sizes vary widely. They range from 3.5 to 40 inches and weigh 2.25 to 56 ounces. Habitat. Most wild parrots can be found in the warmer parts of the southern hemisphere. Not all parrots like warm weather though. Examples: maroon-fronted parrots and keys. Habitats. Parrots are social birds that fly in groups called flocks. Flock members communicate by squawking and movement of tail feathers. Diet. Parrots are omnivores. They eat nuts, flowers, fruits, seeds and insects. Offsprings. Parrots, like other birds, lay their eggs in nests. However, some species lay eggs in tree holes, ground tunnels, etc. They normally lay 2 to 8 eggs at once. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Sharvil out.